this test. Doesn't mean I can eat more. Looks lovely with the light.